KelTec SUB2000 folding pistol caliber carbine. The semi-automatic SUB2000 is designed to be the most convenient 9mm or 40 caliber rifle available. It's adjustable and foldable to 16.25 by 7 inches for easy storage and can accept most popular handgun magazines. Plus, it can easily be disassembled for cleaning or inspection without tools, ideal for backpacking trips and situations where space and convenience are paramount. Main specifications are caliber 9 by 19 mm or .40 SNW. Weight unloaded 4.25 lbs or 1.9 kg in metric. Magazine capacity variable by magazines. Overall length 30.5 inches or 775 mm. Length collapsed 29.25 inches or 742 mm. Length folded 16.25 inches or 413 mm. Barrel length is 16:25 or 413 mm. Twist rate is 1:10 inches or 1:16 inches or 1:254 mm or 1:406 mm. Trigger pull 99.5 lbs or 42.2 Newton.